A ball is thrown horizontally from the roof of a building 75 meters tall and lands 62 meters from the base. What was the ball's initial speed? So, when doing these problems, I like to first draw a picture. The building is 75 meters tall, and the ball was thrown 62 meters from the base. And then I like to set up a tables of my knowns and unknowns. So we know delta x is 62 meters and delta y is negative 75 meters because we're throwing downwards. And acceleration x is always equal to 0 meters per second squared. And acceleration y is always negative 9.8 meters per second squared. VIX is what we are looking for, and we know VIY is 0 meters per second because we are throwing horizontally. So after we have all our knowns and what we're looking for written down, all we have to do now is solve using algebra. So first we're going to use the y values because we have more of those and we need to be able to solve for time. So we're going to use the equation delta y equals VIYT plus 1/2 AYT squared. In this, the VIYT will cancel because it's 0, and we get left with delta y equals 1/2 AYT squared. So I'll draw the line a little more. So the delta y is negative 75 equals 1/2 negative 9.8 t squared. So negative 75 equals negative 4.9 t squared, and then we do t squared equals negative 75 divided by negative 4.9, and we get 15.306, and then you square root both those, and you get t equals 3.912 seconds. So that gives you your t. So you go back over here and use almost the same equation, but this is delta x equals VIXT plus 1/2 AXT squared. And then in this, this will always go to 0 because AX is always 0. So you get left with delta x equals VIXT, and you know delta x is 62, and you know t is 3.912, and then VIX you do 62 divided by the answer, and you get 15.847 meters per second. And that is the ball's initial speed.